show you what it's like inside my mind. Let me give you a peek inside the frame of mind that brings me to my knees every time I cry. Let me show you what it's like inside my mind. It's like this. But when you enter, it sort of sounds like this. Life without you is a horrible mess, but I can survive. But who wants to be doing that when you could just be living with the love of your life? What does that mean? Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it. There's Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it. There's Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it right after this. There's Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it. There's coffee in the fridge, I'm not lying. Okay, maybe I am. There's no coffee in the fridge, just Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it. 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 I still have your trinkets, the notes you left behind. There's Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it, 'cause it's gonna go bad sometime. There's coffee in the fridge. Why am I saying coffee? There's Chuckie in the fridge, I'm gonna drink it. Coffee in the there's no fucking coffee. What am I saying anymore? I don't know.